guys, it's me Naja from NajaDiamond.com, and I am coming to you today with a tutorial. This is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do all of this stuff at home. Typically, I would go get my eyebrows waxed, things like that, but it's super simple to do at home. So today, this is going to be all about hair removal, and if you are interested in that, then please go ahead and keep on watching. So the tools you're going to need today, it's going to be not that much. You guys might already have this at home. If not, you can get all of these things on Amazon and have it shipped to your home. The first thing is going to be a facial exfoliator. This is like just one of those like little razor pins. I get a pack of like 4 like this. They're called Flawless Dermaplane. They're dermaplaning razors basically, but it's just hair remover razors, and it helps to remove like the peach fuzz and everything. So we're gonna go through how I do that. Then I use Nair. You guys, I use the Nair face cream. This thing is really the star of the show, so I'm going to show you how to use that. And then you're just going to need a brow pencil of your choice. Anyone is fine. This is more so for beginners. And then you're just going to need like a Q-tip or a brush if you prefer a brush. You're using this cream, which is like a hair removal cream, so I don't like to use a brush because it can damage the hairs on the brush. A Q-tip works just fine. Okay, and then a mirror so that you guys can see what you're doing. All right, so the first thing I do, step 1, is to outline your brows. You don't have to do this if you're used to like what your brow shape is or what brow shape you want to have. I am going to show you guys how to do it as a beginner. So first things first, so I brush my brow hairs up. You guys see all of this? Let me get real close so that you guys can see all this hair. Y'all, I've been growing this out just for you, okay? Look at this hair. No, it's a whole problem. Just gonna take a brow pencil. You can take any one you want and outline the bottom of your brow. You're just gonna outline the shape that you want for your brow. This doesn't have to be super hard. Just outline the shape. Again, if you do your brows pretty often, then you're kind of already used to this, right? So that's all I do. I outline a shape. So as you can see, it's literally just an outline. I do a line on the bottom and a line at the top, okay? So that tells me exactly where I want to place the cream, the hair cream. So once I have that, I go ahead and take the cream. This is a hair removal cream, fast, easy, and painless. I use the one for your face. It does have some, it has sweet almond oil in it, and they say it's specifically for your upper lip and your chin and your face hair. So anyway, the instructions say to apply the cream, remove all your makeup, squeeze the cream onto your fingertips, and apply a thick, even layer, and leave the cream on for 5 minutes. Now, test this out on a part of your face so that you don't have any irritation or you don't break out or anything like that. My face is pretty much used to it, so I'm not going to do that. But you just want to go ahead and put like a little tester on your face. So what I do is I take a Q-tip, just like this, and it comes in a squeezy tube, just like this. And I just take it and I squeeze it like that. And I take a little bit of the cream on the Q-tip. And then what I do is I run this along the bottom of that line that I just outlined. I do not go above that line. Again, you're gonna wanna apply it pretty thick. So I take my time with this so that A, I don't apply too much. B, I don't apply it where I don't want it to be. So as you can see, the more you wipe, the more it kind of thins out. So I wanna keep it thick. And you just do like that. Now I don't have much hair up under here, so I'm not gonna go up under there. Yeah, there's not much there. All right, so I also don't have much hair at the top, but I am going to put some there just to kind of clean it up a little bit. You guys, I also want to say that my face is moisturized. So I've already applied like my moisturizer onto my face as like a barrier. You can put like a, I mean, I don't know. I don't put any Vaseline or anything on it because that kind of blocks it from working, but if you needed to, you could. All right. Boom. Okay. I also apply it in the middle if you had hair here in the middle. I apply it on my upper lip. Now you could do one or two ways. I like to use this on my upper lip as well, or I will use the cream. So either this or the cream on my upper lip, either one is fine. I also apply this with my finger. When it comes to my upper lip, it's actually a little bit faster to do it with my finger. Ooh. Okay. So I wanted to bring you guys in a little bit because if you can see, can you see the brow hairs are starting to kind of like curl up? That tells me that it's definitely working. It's kind of like shriveling up the brow hairs a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. But anyway, we are just about ready for this to come off. So what I do to remove it is I either take a paper towel, first take a paper towel, and then I have a warm cloth that I use to follow up with it. So yeah, you guys pay attention to like how you're feeling, how your skin feels. If it feels tender or something like that, then go ahead and take it off. Or if it's like, yeah, it's gonna tingle a little bit, but it should not burn. Okay, it should tingle just because it's kind of working. I don't know. I'm okay with the tingle. I'm not okay with the burn. So I take a dry paper towel just because I'm okay with it dry because I have the wet washcloth, but the dry paper towel is what I'm okay with. Okay, so that's our timer going off. So now that the timer has gone off, let's go ahead and remove this now. So I just take my paper towel and I literally just, I like to go the bottom first, like this. You see, ooh, oh, y'all see that? You see that hair? Okay, let's keep going. I like to see it. That's why I always get a white one, because I like to see the hair that's come off. And then I do the top. All right. Then I do the middle. Again, I didn't have much hair there. Just keep wiping. And there you go. And then I take the wet washcloth and then I just wipe it like this, just to make sure I got everything off. There's nothing else on here. And you can kind of go back and forth a little bit. Your skin is going to be a little bit red, but that's fine. Like, that's just, you know, what my skin looks like. So now I'm going to take and do the lip. I'm going to do this side. Y'all, and my lip hair is stubborn. Look at that. See that? All of that. All of that from my lip. So, it's a good amount. Okay. More. A little bit of my lip gloss came off, but y'all, all of that is hair. See all that hair? Girl. And for the most part, it's all gone. Now, gently rub it away just to make sure you got all the cream. See? And then I kind of go back and forth just to make sure you got all of the dead hair. So, any stubborn pieces that were not removed, we're just gonna go ahead and go in with our tweezer and just pick those off. So as you can see, there's just a few hairs. There's literally just like a couple. So I'm just gonna take my tweezers and I'm just gonna get those hairs off. You see? If I can't get it, I'm just gonna leave it alone because I don't want to further irritate my skin. But this, and then I'm gonna take this spoolie once again and kind of brush my brow hairs up and brush them in place. So I'm okay with this. So as you can see, this is the shape that I have after I do the cream, and this is kind of what I started with. As you can see, my tail is already sparse, right? So like I'm not really concerned about that. My tail is already sparse as hell, so I'm fine with that. From here, I literally just go in and just kind of fill in my brow. So there you guys have it. So that's basically how I groom my brows and remove my lip hair. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and leave me your comments down below. Give me a thumbs up as well as share this video. And yeah, I'll be doing more of these in the future. So definitely let me know if you liked it in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.